the $28,000 electric SUV that changes everything. That's right, Citroen's new e-C3 could be the affordable EV breakthrough we've all been waiting for. I'm taking my first look at this game-changing electric car, and what I've found might surprise you. For years, electric vehicles have been priced out of reach for most drivers, but Citroen has thrown down the gauntlet with the e-C3, starting at just £21,990. That's thousands less than competitors like the Vauxhall Corsa Electric or BYD Dolphin. The e-C3 sits 10 centimeters taller than its predecessor, giving it a proper SUV stance that feels modern and practical. Under the skin, you'll find a 113 horsepower electric motor that delivers 260 Newton-meters of torque paired with a 44 kilowatt-hour battery. This combination propels the e-C3 from 0 to 60 in around 10.4 seconds with a top speed of 84 miles per hour. Citroen claims a range of 199 miles, though real-world driving will likely yield closer to 150. Step inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly premium-feeling interior. The fabric-wrapped dashboard elevates the whole cabin, while the simplified 10.3-inch touchscreen provides all the essentials without overwhelming you with options. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, which is a nice touch at this price point. Charging capabilities are impressive for this price point, with 100 kilowatt DC fast charging getting you from 20 to 80% in just 26 minutes. At home, a standard 7.4 kilowatt wall box will fully charge the battery in approximately 6 hours. What really stands out during my first drive is the exceptional ride quality. Citroen's advanced comfort suspension soaks up bumps and potholes with impressive composure. There's some body roll in corners, sure, but the payoff in comfort makes it worthwhile for everyday driving. The 310-liter boot offers practical space for shopping or luggage, while the rear seats provide enough room for adults on shorter journeys. But can an affordable electric car actually be any good? From my first impressions, the answer is a resounding yes. Citroen has focused on what matters most to everyday drivers: comfort, practicality, and ease of use. This could be the car that finally makes electric vehicles accessible to everyone. It's practical, comfortable, and most importantly, affordable. The e-C3 proves that sometimes, the most revolutionary vehicles aren't the fastest or the flashiest, but the ones that bring new technology within reach of ordinary drivers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.